Safan is our landlord also. You can see we are here to stay. We want to stay. There is a sign of security also for your job. Then I hope this is just actually the beginning of a longer term relationship with the community here, because we want to be here permanent. We hope eventually, I was telling Safan when we are moving, maybe his children or your children will still know that Icam is here buying cocoa. Even me, I would have gone. I would not be happy that for me I'm not there, but the company has closed because Fabio has gone. So thank you very much for the struggle, and I think we can proceed.